So that's my special cooker. Lovely little bag. I'll show you around. This is cute. Welcome to Toyland, the most amazing place on earth. Come down to see the awesome stuff. Come and see the Legos we've got. The Legos are the best that you can get from here. Come and look. Wow. Lego! Did you know Lego is Danish? Give me my phone. Welcome to the best place on earth.
Caution, moving conveyor, please take care. Please hold the handrail while traveling.
She's cool. I like this. Hey, what are you going? Okay, I'm tired now. But don't worry, there's some doggies. Oh, even more soft toys. This is shark. Oh, poor boy. I need to get back to my cooking in a sec. People are already making a queue. Goodbye, IKEA. I will come back. Not for free, no. Plant World. I like these. Oh, I wish I never had to go. Well, I need to find Mario, but even so, goodbye. Wait. I have to go now, Tanooki. Checkout time. Wow, I'm gonna miss this place. I made a good friend, a Koopa. Wow, bye. Hey, wait. Oh, I'll miss you, Tanooki. Oh, thank you. You've been a good dear friend. Maybe I better give clothes to myself. Well, I mean, it's nice to... Oh, hello! It's me, Trooper. Hello. I remember those times at IKEA. Wow, that was so good. How do you know where I live? I want you to know.
Who's this Tanooki? Who is it?
It's my friend we met in IKEA. It is like chilling.